Assalamu alaikum kids. Welcome to your channel Islam Station. Today the topic of our story is sneezing. In a cozy neighborhood, two young Muslim girls, Hannah and Aisha, were walking to school when Hannah sneezed. Alhamdulillah, she said. Aisha, curious, asked why they say this after sneezing. Hannah explained it's to thank Allah for good health. What do we say when someone else sneezes? Aisha inquired. Hannah replied, we say, Yarhamak Allah, which means, may Allah have mercy on you. Later that day, their teacher sneezed, and together they said, Yarhamak Allah, Mr. Abdullah. Their teacher smiled and praised them for remembering this kind act. Hannah and Aisha felt joyful, knowing they were spreading kindness through their faith's teachings. From then on, they always responded to sneezes with this dua, sharing blessings and kindness in their community. Today's lesson. Use a tissue. Cover your nose and mouth. Dispose of tissues properly. Wash your hands. Avoid touching your face. Use hand sanitizer. Thanks for watching kids. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.